Good morning, kindergarten. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the assignments this week. So this is lesson 25 for Houghton Mifflin. And so if you take a look at your homework schedule that we created for you, a couple things I wanted to go through. This is a review week. So normally in class, we would review the Alpha Friends that we did for the lessons for the unit. And so we have a review of those in our reader's notebook pages. So those reviews are going to look like this. I'll also do a review tomorrow, a little video review. We're also reviewing all of the sight words for the unit. So all those are also listed on your homework schedule. Today you guys are going to be listening to Pie in the Sky. So I'll have a reading of that on YouTube also, but it's also available on Think Central. If you need help logging in, let me know. Mrs. Fierro did a great video with a screencast so that you guys can see. She walks you through that. And then you're going to do your math interactive lesson 5.2. So we're beginning edition. Tomorrow we're also going to do a video on part whole for addition. So this is our homework for this week. You'll find that in your packet, but along with all of our items that are on the homework list, there's some that are not on the list. And so I just wanted to show you what they are. They're just fun extra practice. So this is our Scholastic news that we do every week. This one happens to be on caterpillars. And we also have some fun caterpillar comprehension pages that we've added, just in case you want to do those. We also have some I can read sentences. You can fill in the CBC words on the back. There is a review for short O, so there's a book and a matching words to pictures. And then you also have in there, that is actually part of our curriculum, is the Six Pigs Hop story. So you're going to get this also, and that corresponds to your lessons for this week. Remember, these are also on Think Central. You can access them in color in there. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a text or remind, or through email. Alrighty, so we'll see you soon, and I will be sending up some more videos for read alouds. Have a great day, kindergarten.